More than 2 years after severe flooding left hundreds of San Diegans' homes underwater, the city of San Diego has now approved a $6 million settlement related to the damage that was done.
But that money is not going to the hands of the victims. Our Zara Barker joins us live from downtown with the details on today's decision. Zara.
Phil, Christina, that settlement got its final stamp of approval today, which repays the insurance companies, while hundreds of victims are still waiting for their payments.
It's been the most devastating thing I've experienced in my life.
Jessica Calix lost everything in the January 2024 floods.
Hoping the water didn't break his magnets.
Everything I own in my 41 years of life, it is gone. Everything that my grandmother gave me, you know, even just simple things that seem like no big deal, like her sewing machine, pots and pans, things like that. You know, my father's ashes were in the flood.
Now Jessica and her 10-year-old son live in an RV park as she saves and waits nearly 2 years later.
Getting a payout today wouldn't put me in a house tomorrow because we're all at a deficit.
With no insurance coverage and now a FEMA loan repayment bill, she's still climbing out of the hole the flood put her in.
Whatever stability that you had at that point, it was lost. Generational wealth was literally washed away.
And she's one of about 1,500 people suing the city of San Diego.
So we're suing for support to basically rebuild our lives.
While no money has been given to victims yet, on Tuesday, the city approved a $6.3 million settlement with 17 insurance companies, including State Farm, Allstate, and Mercury. They went after the city for the money they paid out to their clients.
That passes unanimously.
We haven't forgotten about what happened or about the responsibilities that we have moving forward.
I would categorize it as progress.
Dominic Martini represents about 750 flood victims and believes the claims against the city are in the hundreds of millions of dollars.
While we appreciate that the city is taking responsibility for the floods at this point, it leaves victims wondering what happens next for them. This, multi-million-dollar payout to insurance companies, it doesn't go to the victims. And so the victims are sitting here wondering, well, is the city going to take responsibility for my case? When are we going to get paid and finally be able to rebuild?
He says his clients, like Jessica, are frustrated the insurance company has got the first payout as she and her son hold on to hope for what comes next.
What breaks my heart the most is to have to see him recover and this is his future. To hear that they're valuing these insurance companies over my son's life and his future is just, it's horrible.
And now the city is set to go to trial on those lawsuits on October 2nd, but there is a possibility the city could settle before then. Of course, we'll continue to follow this. That's the very latest live here near downtown. Zara Barker, Fox 5 News.